In this video, I want to talk to you about adding what we call non-visual items to a design or an order. A non-visual item is items that we have in as part of our part list, but you can't place them in live storage. So in this example, we're looking at a office, and maybe we wanted to go in, the wall was bad here, and we wanted to go in and put either a scribe molding or a 3/4 inch quarter round. So we could go in with this design, and I could go to the parts list page and then scroll down to the office. So underneath that office, you see we have these two items here: add custom line item and add catalog item. So the catalog items are the non-visual items in live storage. So when I click on that, it's going to bring up the dialog box, and you're going to see a list of all the items that you can place in the design. So from here, if I want to do 3/4 inch quarter round, that was white. To go around those pieces, maybe I need, let's say, I want to get 4 pieces of that in the design. Just by clicking 4, you're going to go in and notice that it added that. You see the price went up as we scroll down and look at the parts list here. You'll see that we've added the 3/4 inch quarter round, 4 pieces of it, $266 is what this would sell for. So we added that in, so you're not eating that cost. You know exactly what those prices are. So when I either export this to the order form, or if I order using the inventory tool, both ways will go in and place those orders. There's lots of items that are in the non-visual items. You'll see in the upper right-hand corner, when I click on that, I can type molding, and it will bring up all the different moldings that we sell: the fluted molding, the 3/4 inch quarter round, scribe molding, and then you'll see all the different colors in there. If I wanted to go even further, I could just type white and bring up the white moldings that we have. So you don't have to know exactly what the part number is or what the item number or the description are. The search function, if it's listed in the description, you can search on it. Another thing you can commonly use the add catalog item is for adding samples. So maybe I want a white sample. By typing white sample in there, it'll bring up all the different sample fronts that we sell in white. Actually, this will bring up antique white also, because it has both of those in there. So that's a great way to go in and search. If I wanted to do a white raised front, I can put one in the design. Now, unfortunately, you can only add one item at a time. So if I wanted white sample, so I had the raised panel, maybe I want a shaker sample also, and add that to the design. I just continue adding as many parts as I want. You can also order any of the tools that we sell. So if you're looking for the templates, we can type template in there, and that'll bring you the different templates, give you the list price on those. I want the gizmo. Really, lots of different items that are in there. One of the things that you can frequently use in the office too is we sell this steel desk support. That steel desk support is 18.5 inches deep, heavy duty steel support that if you have a countertop just by itself, you can use the steel desk supports to support your desktop. And just once again, change the quantity. I got to highlight the item, change the quantity, and then the OK button will come in. So that's adding non-visual items to the design. If you're using the inventory tool, you can accomplish those same things in the inventory tool when I go in and bring up the inventory tool for this design, I can add a SKU, and then I can do the same thing. At this point, this is all the items that we sell. It's not just the non-visual items, but I can do the same thing if I want to do a white sample. It's going to bring up those same white samples. And also at that time, you're going to see that we already have those in the design, so we don't have to order those, but maybe I want a pillow top white and add one to my design. And that will go in and get that added to the order. But remember, when you're using the add SKU to the inventory tool, you need to hit auto calculate order to actually get it placed in there. The advantage to adding an item like a sample to the inventory tool is it doesn't affect the price of the particular job. If I go in and I have those items that are just samples, it actually adds it to the cost of the design here. So there's a couple of different ways to go in and handle that, or you can go in and just search on the order form, on the parts list page of the order form, and look at the samples. But I think sometimes it's easier to add those items to the design and then export it. It's the search function in live storage is better than the search function we have on the order form. So that's adding non-visual items to an order in live storage. If you have any more questions, just reach out to your regional sales manager.